Hello everyone, I am Marta Revilla-León, and I'm thrilled to invite you to the 39th Australian Dental Congress, taking place from May 8th to 10th, 2025 in the magnificent city of Perth in Australia. Prepare yourself for an spectacular event where we will dive deep into the marvels of digital dentistry, from cutting-edge digital data acquisition technologies to the intricacies of digital occlusion, and the impact of artificial intelligence on our practices. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn the latest in digital dental technologies, this is the event that you simply cannot miss. Mark your calendars and join us for an unforgettable experience.